Hi children, hello, welcome to your home school. This year class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in a third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. And your exercise 3.5, problem number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication methods. Till now we know all the methods: graphical method, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Now this pair of linear equations we need to solve in both the methods. Let us start with the first method, that is substitution method. Write here heading substitution method. Rewrite the equations. Given 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Mark it as 1 and this is 2. So, which equation you can see little smaller? I can see second equation. So, this convert into x variable. That will be 3x is equal to 4 minus 2y. X is equal to 4 minus 2y whole divided by 3. This x value substitute in first equation. Substitute x value in equation 1. That is 8x. In x place, you rewrite it as 4 minus 2y by 3 plus 5y is equal to 9. Okay, multiply here. 8 4s are 32 minus 8 2s are 16y divided by 3 plus 5y is equal to 9. Do the LCM here. Do the LCM. 3 and 1 LCM is 3. 32 minus 16y. What is the sign you have? Plus. 3 5s are 15y is equal to 9. 9. This 3 send that side. It will be multiplied. And minus 16y plus 15y will be minus y. Here 32 as it is. 9 3s are. It will be 27. This y having a negative value. Bring this y this side or as it is also you can do. 27 minus 32. Transverse this 30 to this side. That will be minus 32. 27 minus 32 will be minus 5. Minus cancel. Y is equal to 5. Put this y. Put y is equal to 5 in equation 2. Any one of the equation you can write. So that will be 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. 3x plus 2 into 5 is equal to 4. 2 5s are 10, right? Is equal to 4. 3x is equal to 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10 will be minus 6. X is equal to minus 6 by 3. That will be 2. Therefore, finally, what are the solutions of these two pair of linear equations? X is equal to minus 2. And y is equal to 5. By substitution method, we got the two variables answer. Our next method we need to do is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method, we do the same problem. Rewrite the equations again. 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. I am writing children. Send that 9 that side. And similarly 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now mark this one and this is 2. Marking 1 and 2 is not needed actually. Now, comparing with the standard form. Comparing with the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We have two equations, right? a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Right now, a1 is equal to 8, b1 is equal to 5, c1 is equal to minus 9. a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to 2, c2 equal to minus 4. By cross multiplication method, how will you write? Do you remember the chain? b1, c1, a1, b1. Write as it is. b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2. And last, b1, b2. Writing this only you should remember, children. b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2. Now put the cross mark with arrowheads towards right side. How we are doing the multiplication, it shows. What is the variable you have? X, and this is y, and this is 1. Now rewrite this. X by multiplication start from here. 5 4s are 20. Plus into minus. Minus 20 minus. Plus into minus. Minus 2 9s are 18. Is equal to y by minus 9 into 3. Minus 27 minus. Minus 4 into 8. Minus 32 is equal to 1 by 8 2s are 16 minus 3 5s are 15. Okay, always start your multiplication from here, don't do from here. Multiply minus this multiply. X by minus into minus plus. Minus 20 plus 18 will be minus 2. If you want, you can extend one more line. Y by minus 27 minus into minus plus. Minus 27 plus 32 will be how much? 5. 1 by 16 minus 15, 1. Now, equate these two. X by minus 2 is equal to 1 and y by 5 equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. See here children, this x and y and this x and y, same answer we got. Yes, we are going to get the same answer. That is, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 in substitution method and also cross multiplication method. Fourth main first problem. What is your main heading? Frame the pair of linear equations. If they have a solution, find the solution by any algebraic method. That means substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication. If these equations will be having a solution, you can find in any method. First thing what we need to do, read the verbal problem and frame the equations. First sub question in this, a part of monthly hostel charges. We are talking about a hostel now, right? Monthly hostel charges is fixed. Monthly charge of a hostel is fixed. Fixed, somewhere we heard this word. Where it is? In your before exercise, taxi fare. Okay? Minimum charge or a fixed charge for some kilometers, and then every kilometer fare will be increased. Similarly, what they have given, monthly hostel charge is fixed, and the remaining charge means mess bill. Remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. Okay, hostel rent or hostel charge is fixed. How many days you have food in the mess? That much amount you need to pay extra amount. We are talking in this problem about two students, student A and student B. First, we are going to start framing the equation with student A. Student A takes food for 20 days. How many days student A is taking food? 20 days. How can you frame the equation here? Let's complete the sentence. She has to pay ₹1,000. Okay, student A is a girl. She has food for 20 days. And she is going to pay an amount of 1,000 rupees. Amount how much? 1,000 rupees. So here you need to find the variables. Monthly fixed charge for a hostel. Let us assume the fixed charge be X. Okay, let the fixed hostel charges X rupees. We are talking about the amount. So write rupees. And cost of food for 1 day. 1 day food cost, if you know, you can multiply with 20 days. Or how many days they have taken food in the mess? That much number you need to multiply. Let it be Y rupees. Start framing the equation. A student will pay first fixed amount for the hostel. And how many days she had food there? 20 days. Means 20Y. Okay. X plus 20Y is equal to 1,000. First equation. Finished. Second equation. Look here. Let's start reading from there. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days. I think you got the equation, right? What is that equation? X plus 26 days, 26 into Y. X is the fixed hostel charge and Y is the everyday mess charge. Okay, what is the cost of food for 1 day? 26 days had means 26 into Y. Pays rupees 1,180. That equal to 1,180. Mark this as the second equation. As the hostel charges, find the fixed charges and the cost of food for day. What is the fixed charge and what is the cost of food for 1 day? Means we need to calculate X and Y. What is the condition given here? If they have a solution, you can go with any of the algebraic method. But how can we check if they have a solution or not? We know the tricks. What is that? See the ratio. If you get the unique solution, then we can solve. Let's see here. 1 by 1. 1. 20 by 26. How much you are going to get? 10 by 13. So, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, what you can say? Therefore, the two pair of linear equations. Therefore, the two pair of linear equations have unique solution. If they have a unique solution, we are going to find. Which method we will go, children? Substitution, it makes lengthy. We have a biggest number, right? Suppose elimination, directly X and X are positive. We can subtract the two equations. By elimination method, X will be eliminated. We can find Y value substitute in X. Any method you choose yourself, but please don't by heart. Let me do with the elimination method. By elimination method, rewrite the equation, children, or just subtract, you can say. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Subtract 2 from 1. That is, you need to write first equation, then second equation is equal to 1000 and x plus 26y is equal to 1180. Subtract. If you subtract, signs will be changed. Change the sign. Plus x minus x will be cancelled. 20 minus 26 minus 6y is equal to minus 180. 1000 minus 1180 will be minus 180. Minus minus cancel. 180 by 6. 30. Therefore, y is equal to 30. This y, where I need to substitute? Put this y. Put y is equal to 30 in equation 1. What is your equation 1 here? X plus 20y is equal to 1000. X plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. That will be 20 30s. 600 is equal to 1000. 600 plus 600, bring this side. Minus 600. Therefore, x is equal to 400 and y is equal to 30. What is this, children? Therefore, fixed hostel charge is equal to rupees 400 rupees, and everyday cost of food for 1 day in a mess is equal to rupees y. That is how much? 30 rupees. So understand here, hostel fixed charge is how much? 400 rupees. Everyday mess bill is how much? Everyday cost of food is how much? 30 rupees. For 5 days, if you had 5 into 30, that will be how much? 150. 150 plus 400. How much you are going to pay? 550 rupees. How many days increased? You need to multiply with the everyday food cost with the fixed hostel charge. Okay, don't be fixed for the particular question. In your exam, own questions may be given. So understand the question and then think properly. Read 2 to 3 times the problem, frame the equations and then solve. Second problem, a fraction. Fraction, immediately what do you remember? Numerator and denominator, right? A fraction becomes 1 by 3. Similar problem we have done or not before exercise? We have done, no? A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Stop and frame the first equation, then you can continue the problem. Let the fraction be, what shall we assume? Let the fraction be x by y. Okay, so now a fraction becomes 1 by 3. Given, you need to write these all statements again, children. Given the fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Look here, this 1 you need to subtract from the numerator. Yes, 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Then you can get one equation. What is a fraction? X by y. The fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Right? So let's cross multiply and get the equation. 3 into x minus 1 is equal to y. Remove from brackets. 3x minus 3 is equal to y. Y bring this side. 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Mark this as a first equation. Let's go with the next one. And it becomes 1 by 4. And it becomes 1 by 4. When it becomes 1 by 4? When 8 is added denominator. It means what? Fraction. X by y. And 8 is added to the denominator. The fraction becomes 1 by 4 given. Okay? Cross multiply. Find the fraction is your question. Cross multiply. 4x is equal to y plus 8. Bring all this side. 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Or you can leave the numbers this side, children. No problem. So now, will they have any solution? Let us check it out. 3 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by minus 1. 3 by 4 is not equal to 1. That means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. They will be having a unique solution. If they have a solution, solve the problem in any algebraical method. So which method you choose? Minus y directly there. So let us subtract by using elimination method. By elimination method, I do this problem. By elimination method, subtract. Which one you want to subtract? Subtract 1 from 2, children. Anyway you can do, no? Subtract equation 1 from 2. Means first you write second equation. 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. And then write the first equation. 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Subtracting, signs will be changed. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. 4x minus 3x will be x. Minus y plus y cancel. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. Send this 5 other side. X is equal to 5. Okay, we got x value. We need to find one more value to get the fraction. This x value, substitute. Put x is equal to 5 in 1. 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. 3 into, wherever you have x, substitute 5. 3 into 5 minus y minus 3 equal to 0. 3 5s are 15 minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Minus y send other side. 15 minus 3, 12 is equal to y. Okay. Therefore, we got x and y value. Therefore, fraction is equal to x by y, that equal to 5 by 11 is the required fraction for this verbal problem. Verbal problem, all the statements you need to write neatly, children. I did not write some of the statements while I was saying the statements. Those statements you need to complete while writing. Okay. With this, we are going to end our session. In our next class, we are going to complete this exercise. Thank you all.